my channel. Today's video is very obviously going to be quite a bit different. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, so I thought what better way to celebrate than make my own DIY laundry detergent. Anyways, here we go. So, basically this is supposed to be less expensive and it's supposed to last a long time. And I kind of obviously went to Pinterest and found some ideas, and I found one recipe I liked in particular, and so I got all the supplies and I'll take you along on this journey. So firstly, I will just go over the supplies and then how much they cost, and just so you have a kind of idea of how much this will cost all together. So firstly, I have these Zote soap. I had never heard of this till today. It's a laundry soap. I don't know much about it, but these are 88 cents each. Then we have borax, and this runs about $4.50. Next we have this Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Again, something I had never heard of till today, and that was just under $4. And then just good old baking soda, 4 pounds of it, and that was $2.25. And then I guess this part here is optional. It's more just for the scent. They're just these fragrance boosters, and this was actually the most expensive part, running just under $8, and it's a large container of it too, so you could have done without this and saved a little more money. So basically all you have to do is mix all this together, and I'm going to start with the soap and a grater and get to grating. So I'm just going to use this old pot I have and that I've just been using for decoration, so hopefully that'll hold it all. Ooh, this is gonna be hard. This is a workout. And I think I forgot to mention this earlier, so I found this recipe on Pinterest, and it is from howdoesshe.com, and then it's actually from blissful55.com. She posted on this blog, I guess. So the first method for the Zote soap was to use a cheese grater and grate it. And that worked okay. Blake and I had to trade off a couple times because my arms were getting tired. And one other method they mention on here is to microwave this. And if you've ever microwaved soap, apparently it kind of blooms up, and then you can just like crumble it. So I'm going to try that with the second bar because this took a really long time. Okay, so I've got it on a microwave safe plate, and she says for about a minute to microwave it. So I forgot on the blog, the person cut them up first. And so I don't know what's going to happen now. Seems like a science experiment. Okay. Kind of spread them out, I guess. I don't really know.
cotton candy.
We'll let it cool down a little and see what we come up with here. So we tried the microwaving method. On the website they said to microwave it for a minute. We did that and nothing really happened. Microwaved it longer and it kind of bloomed up a little, but I don't really think it's crumbling. Oh, it's still really hot too. And maybe that's the problem. Maybe we just need to wait till it totally cools down, but I think we prefer the grating method. And anyway, so the microwaving method didn't really work for us. Luckily, I had misread the recipe and I actually bought 4 bars of Zote. So we're just gonna go ahead and grate another bar, about a half of one or so, and I guess figure out what to do with this. Probably just keep playing with it. Do some more experiments. I can, maybe as it's cooling off, it is getting a little more crumbly, but I don't know, that just seems like more work than that. So anyways, we're gonna grate this and be right back. Alright, so we have our soap all grated, and next we just, I guess, have to mix it all together. And I read on here that they kind of did a layering method to make it a little easier. So I guess it doesn't really matter since you use the whole box of everything. I'll just do a little bit of each at a time and mix it together. This is the baking soda. This is that super washing soda. I don't know much about borax, but I know it's used for a lot of different things. I know it's used in like slime recipes, and you can use it to kill Creeping Charlie. I'm gonna go ahead and put the beads in. Oh, these smell good. Yum. We can use this container later to put it in too, I guess. I'm just gonna give this a quick stir before I put in the soap. Okay, now I'm gonna start adding in the soap. I'll just try to do a little at a time, I guess. I don't really know. That seems pretty good. Do you think? All right, I'm just gonna get it in my containers and see what it looks like, I guess. Give it a test. So I ended up buying this container, but I realized you can actually put it back into this container as well. And I also still had a old pods container too, so we'll see how much, if I'll have to use all those or not. It's looking like I might. This is a lot. Okay, so here is the final product. I pretty much filled up these two, and this one's a little over halfway full. Supposedly, this is supposed to last, based on an average of 4 to 6 loads of laundry a week. This should last 18 months. Each load of laundry should take about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons worth. So I'm going to try to keep track as I use this all, so I can do an update later on how it went. Again, the recipe will be listed below or on my blog. I'll also link the websites where I originally found this from. And right now I actually have a load of laundry ready to go, so I'm going to give it a test right now and see how it works. right, so they're all washed up, and this towel I had actually used to mop up some coffee I spilled. Just kind of grabbed something quick, and it looks like there's no stains or anything like that from what I can see. So it doesn't particularly smell good. I thought it would be really fragrant, but seems clean and feels soft, so that's good. So what I plan on doing is checking in. So I plan on doing kind of a follow-up on either my Instagram or blog or even a video about this. But so far, I think it's gonna be pretty good. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye. I'm just gonna do it all at once. Ooh. Taste it.